There my Betty has already reached up. We are heading for the root bridge. There's a small waterfall here. Minunga. Kandal begora khonnan la. Kandal begora khonnan la da bathan jaine. Hey, nanga letrane. Longa bisa ke jauh sana. So many jackfruit. This tree has fallen down, I think. The wind. Do you see any? Do you see any root bridge? Not yet. Slippery, slippery. This is slippery. Inside. They have blocked it. They are not letting it use, I think. They on the top also another they have started. Because it's a rainy season, they have blocked it, I think. See how it works. The bridge. So good. And this is what we come to see.
What are insects? Maybe they call?
Hey, mabe budong ke terpillar abe. Ikan tu thangnya lah semua itu. Ke terpillar budong. Block. And here is another one. That man is trying to walk over it. There may be insects.
I won't walk on it. Look, see all those.
Lots of insects. Kita beri muncul. Di sana ni, kita tanggal ni. Ya, ini muncul. Ini muncul. These are living, you know. The root. Even this side one is very small one. It's starting to grow. How they do with this?